Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's my new catalog haul. It's not huge. I have another one coming soon, but sometimes we have to break it down a little bit. I'm just like you, I have my wish lists, and some things I needed to get, so let's go ahead and get started. I, of course, had to get all 5 new in colors. So we've got Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, Bumblebee, and then my favorite is the Cinnamon Cider. I know, it's just kind of a brown, but for some reason, it's my favorite. I like it. Well, since I had the stamp pads, I also purchased the 5-pack of new in color markers because I have all the markers. So I'm going to do that. Oh, you know what? Before I even go and get started, let me just say congratulations to Randa Harrison, who won the gems. So Randa, send me an email with your address and I will get that out to you. I left a comment on your comment, and then you can just let me know that that's you in the comment as well. All right, so before I start, again, I'll continue on, but let's go ahead and get into the second portion of the giveaway because I'm going to add another detail to the giveaway. Every video I'm doing giveaways for right now, and so this time I'm going to be doing some pearlized doilies and Nature's Twine. So we've got this, and that is going to be just one prize. Okay, let me show you the better that way. So we've got that. These are all my prizes. If you could see this little basket with the tool on it, those are filled with prizes. And if you could see back here, those are all my retired stamps that are going to be going on my blog soon. So I'll let you know. All right, let's get back to the unboxing. I got some more Stampin' Spritzers. These are a good little deal. They're only $3. You get 2 of them, and you can use different colors and stuff like that. I picked up the new Stampin' Seal. Grabbed one of those and got to try it out. This is going to replace the snail adhesive. I love the snail adhesive. I still have plenty because I like it so much, but I'm going to have one of these on hand and then decide which one I like. Not that it matters. I can't buy the Stampin' snail adhesive anymore. I'm going to have to like this one, right? But I'll let you know. And then for my stamp set, I ended up getting the Comfort and Hope. I just thought super cute. We've got these little guys, real pretty. I liked this. So this is the Comfort and Home. Know that I love you, or love and care about you. And then it has some little gems there as well. Just thought this was a cute little stamp set, so grabbed that. And let's look here. I got all the papers, like all of them. We'll start with the 6x6s. This is the 2020 in color. And I'm just going to show you them in a package today. But once I get them all, I'm going to cut them all into 6x6s. And then I'll show you every single piece of paper. So these are all the new. So this is the new in color. This one is the Playing with Patterns. I'll show you the front side and the back side. And then let me show you the back side of the new in colors. It's a wood grain. I've got Flowers for Every Season. These are beautiful. The whole entire suite is just amazing. This is called A Whale of a Time. Look at those are little fishies right there. And then look at that. It's like a little reef. All right, now we're getting into the 12x12s. I only have the front because the back is cardboard. But this is A World of Good. This one has all, I want to open it, but it'd be such a long video. This is the World of Good designer series paper. So this has like globes and stuff like that on it. The next one is called the Peony Garden. See that? So pretty. I love this one. This one has a whole suite as well. Ornate Garden. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this one, you guys. I am going to keep, I got 2 of these because I'm going to keep one in 12 by 12s so that I can use them as backgrounds for when I shoot pictures of my cards. So we've got that, and this is just the first one. There is tile in there. You know what? I'm going to show you the one that I did open. That's the only time. It's the only time I'm going to do it, but I had one that I had to open and look through it because they have such great textures. So I won't show all of them to you. I'll just pick a random couple, but like this one, and then the back side is like this whitewashed wood. And then of course there's 2 of each sheet. There's this one here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's tile. This one looks like kind of like a wool. More tile. So much. Wait until you see the full papers on there, and I'll show you those soon. All right. What else here? Oh, we got, this one is called Forever Greenery designer series paper. And then this is Artistry Blooms designer series paper. So that is everything that I got. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And then once I get these all cut, I use these for my paper shares. So I'm going to be cutting those up, sending them out to people who ordered them, and then I'll have a pack for myself, and we'll get to stamping. So, all right. In this one, let's see. I have to have a question so that you could be entered into win the giveaway. And all you have to do, you have to comment below, and you have to be subscribed to my channel. Except for that, you're good to go. Oh, you do need to live in the U.S. because I can't ship outside of the U.S. That's just in all my giveaways. And let me see. Why don't you tell me what your favorite in color is? So again, Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, Bumblebee, and Cinnamon Cider. So let me know which one is your favorite. I already let you know mine was Cinnamon Cider. All right, there's no wrong answers. I will talk to you later and have a wonderful day. Bye. Oh.